Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Forever 21 app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a in-depth review about the Forever 21 app. The Forever 21 app in 2025 offer a smooth and modern shopping experience for fans of trendy, affordable version. You can easily browse thousands of styles in women's and men's plus size collection with filters for size, color and price. The app supports secure payment, order tracking, and personalized recommendation based on your styles and browsing history. It also notifies you of sales, new arrivals, and app exclusive discounts, which make it great tools for deal hunters. However, while the design is clean and user-friendly, some users have reported occasional glitches with loading times or checkout issues. Customer service support is available but may be slow during peak section. Despite minor drawback, the app is worth downloading if you are a frequently shop at Forever 21 or love staying on top of the latest fast fashion trend. And that's it.